Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Arctic Air conditioning fan. I love it. It's a neck fan. It's by Arctic Air. It is so awesome. If you want to have your hands free while you're working on projects, maybe you're working in your garden, or maybe you're just on a jog and you have weights in your hands, but you just want to have more air, this product is perfect. It allows me to put it on my neck, turn it on, and the air just flows. It goes from high to medium to low. I love this product because I can barely hear it. It feels good. It's cooling my face and my neck at the same time. My hands are free. It's lightweight. It's an awesome product. So it has these fans on the inside and on the outside that just blows nice, cool air. That's the sound of high. That's the sound of medium. And you can barely hear the low setting. It's very flexible. So you just open it up and put it around your neck, whether you have a large neck or a small neck, it fits and is comfortable and it's great. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.